Hi, this is Jacob and welcome to Bkper. Since Bkper is built on Google Cloud, we use Google accounts to sign in and to keep your financial data secure. When you log in the first time, you start on an empty book list. Your account details and the possibility to log out are in the top right corner. Your book list is empty, so create your first book. Give it a name. And to get help, go to the in-app support. In the Help Center are some useful getting started guides. Learn, for example, how to record your first transactions pretty much within the context of your work. Now, let's go back to the book list and see what it looks like. You can find your book here, who is the owner, the total number of transactions, and the current month's transactions. These are your very first steps to organize your finances in Bkper. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe to receive new video updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video tutorial.